Okay, welcome again, boys and girls. We're continuing on the fractions video 4 on our 11 plus maths tuition guide. Again, details of the book urge you to purchase can be found on our website www.lifechangingtuition.com. And let us begin on the next video on fractions. Okay, so we're now on dividing fractions. So we've done adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Again, slightly different to the book, or it's pretty much the same, but I'm just going to simplify it a bit. All I want you to remember when dividing fraction is KFC. KFC. Keep, flip, change. Yeah, that's all you got to remember how to do it. So it's 3 steps: keep, flip, change. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do the first one. So we've got this example here, dividing fractions. So the first step we do is I'll produce it here. 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 10. First thing we're going to do is keep. That's the first step. So identify this here. And I'm going to keep that the same. So let's go down a bit. Okay, so this one stays as it is. Becomes 3 over 4. And the second step is to flip the second fraction upside down. So it used to be 9 over 10, and I'm going to flip it to 10 over 9. So it comes 10 over 9. Okay, so that goes there. And the final steps are keep, flip, change. So we've done keep, got tick on that, done flip. Now we're going to the final stage is this final step 3 is change. So that divide, we change it to a times. Okay, it's keep, flip, change. So it's essentially the same steps here, just changed order to make it easier for us to memorize. Keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change. Okay. KFC. Okay, so now we've done that. Now, how do we multiply fractions? If you've forgotten, go back to the previous video. But essentially, all you got to do is times top by top and bottom by bottom. So let's move that there. So 3 times 10 and 4 times 9. So 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 9 is 36. And we want to simplify that. They're both in the 3 times table. So that'd be 10. Oh, both in the 6 times table. So choose always go for the highest. So 6 divided both by 6. So this one here divided by 6, divided by 6, and it will be 5 over 6. Okay, so just check if that's right. Yeah, 5 over 6. Okay, great. So that's multiplying, dividing fractions. So we've done that. So keep, flip, change. Next one is comparing fractions. How do we compare fractions? Well, when the bottom number is the same, it's really easy to compare fractions. So we'll do that one first. Let's see one there. Let's change the color a bit. Let's go for red. Okay, so let's give an example. So we got here 1 over 6 or 4 over 6. And we'll notice they've got the same bottom number. Okay, so we've got the same bottom number. How do we? All we've got to do is just see who's got the higher top number. So this one's got the higher top number, so this will be bigger. Okay, so 1 over 6 is smaller than 4 over 6. Okay. Okay, notice the crocodile always eats the bigger number. Okay, and this arrow points to the smaller number, so it points to the smaller. So this is smaller, yeah, smaller. Okay, now when the bottom number is not the same, again, it's a bit slightly tricky. So I'm just going to. So they give an example: 2/3 or 1/2, which is bigger. Just going to do slightly different to how the book does it. All we're going to do, we're going to make it the same bottom number. So at the moment, the bottom numbers are 3 and 2. We want to change these to the same bottom number. Now, all we're going to do is do 3 times 2. So the new bottom number is going to be 6. Okay, so new bottom number is going to be 6. We take the first fraction, which is 2/3, put it over 6. Take the second fraction, which is a half, put it over 6. Then we use our equivalent fraction skills to get to here, times by 2, times by 2, which is 4 over 6. Get to here, times by 3, times by 3, 3 over 6. Now, which is bigger, 4 over 6 or 3 over 6? Well, the bottom number is the same, so it's nice and easy to compare. All you've got to look at it as a top number. Who's got a higher top number? This one. So this number here, 2/3, is the bigger one. So that's what I've got here. 2/3 is the big one. Notice this is eating up the bigger number, bigger fraction. Okay, that ends our video on fractions, and we'll leave it there and see you in the next video.